Aklını yitirmiş divane miyim? Aşk.
Accessing mainframe.
Initiating D.A.I.S AI protocol.
System error. System rebooting. Power sequence starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Initiating D.A.I.S global network.
The future is created by ideas whose time has come.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
And by those who believe that nothing is impossible. We are all born to do what has never been done. The journey of possibilities has no end. Only new frontiers. Only new frontiers. Blockchain, DeFi, NFT, AI. D.A.I.S, Decentralized AI system, is the new frontier for financial technology and a new era of decentralized crowdfunding. Profits, equity, income. D.A.I.S, where limitless ideas and courageous people unite to change their world for good.
Welcome to the D.A.I.S presentation today, and it's great to have everybody here with us. D.A.I.S is a revolutionary, disruptive crowdfunding Model A business community truly with a limitless future, and that video you just watched was recorded live in Dubai at our very first leadership event in September of 2021, and here we are over a year later, and ladies and gentlemen, just absolutely excited to share with you today what is happening with the D.A.I.S project, and why we believe this is a project like no other. Before we dive into the presentation today, let's go over the legal disclaimer. Participating in this crowdfunding campaign is a contribution towards AI algorithms development and testing by Endotech through a decentralized autonomous organization, and the use of smart contracts on public blockchain. The smart contracts have been independently audited and verified. Crowdfunding campaign contributors shall receive staking rewards resulting from AI algorithms activities, as well as equity in Endotech. Prior to Endotech equity distribution, each contributor shall be required to go through KYC and AML variation. Endotech is preparing for public listing. Should Endotech not go ahead with the listing, the equity allocated for crowdfunding participants shall be converted into dividends for each contributor. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and is for informational purposes only. His historical performances shown are also the result of compounding profits. The rewards are contingent upon AI performance, and results are not a guarantee. All performance shall be visible with full transparency to each crowdfunding contributor. This document is not an offer to sell or a solicitation of offers to purchase any securities. Copies of this document may not be sent to jurisdictions or distributed, and or sent from jurisdictions in which this is barred or prohibited by law. The information contained herein shall not constitute an offer to sell, or the solicitation of any offer to buy in any jurisdiction in which such offer or solicitation would be unlawful prior to registration. Exemption from registration or qualification under the securities laws of any jurisdiction. Not available in all countries including the U.S. Anyone participating in or promoting this campaign is required to comply with all regulations that apply depending on their jurisdiction. This publication may contain specific forward-looking statements, example statements including terms like believe, assume, expect, forecast, project, may, could, might, will, or similar expressions. Such forward-looking statements are subject to known and unknown risks, uncertainties, and other factors which may result in a substantial divergence between the actual results, financial situation, development, or performance, and those explicitly or implicitly presumed in these statements. Against the background of these uncertainties, readers should not rely on forward-looking statements. No responsibility is assumed to update forward-looking statements or to adapt them to future events or developments. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into the incredible information that we want to share with you today. Again, what is D.A.i.S? Well, folks, we're a community, and we are a decentralized crowdfunding model that's built on the blockchain. D.A.i.S is an equity crowdfunding project 100% built on smart contracts. D.A.i.S is currently crowdfunding Endotech for the development of the D.A.i.S AI project. Crowdfunders receive equity in Endotech and real-time rewards from the AI trading results in cryptocurrency and Forex. D.A.i.S leverages the power of community to back breakthrough financial technologies using a business model where everyone wins with profits, equity, and income. D.A.i.S track record is that it really does speak for itself. Over 165,000 contributors have partnered with D.A.i.S since our launch in 2021. Over 1.5 million transactions have taken place on the smart contracts. Over 120 million USDT in rewards has been paid out to the community from the smart contract, including 61 million from the AI trading rewards, over 61 million from the AI trading. Ladies and gentlemen, the Forex AI launched April 5th of 2022, the Crypto AI launched June 1st of 2022, and that's the new 2.0 version of the Crypto AI. The D.A.i.S community backed and launched the Uplift Launchpad as well, another project that we participated in. As you can see here, as of October 10th, 2022, we have reached 40% of our goal for the crowdfunding model. We currently have a 113 million in live trading that's being executed through Endotech and the AI development. And over 165,000 members are now participating in the D.A.i.S project. The D.A.i.S stands for Decentralized AI System, and this technology is being developed by Endotech, a breakthrough AI company founded and led by Dr. Anna Becker. D.A.i.S AI is the next generation of AI trading, with the goal to create the #1 AI trading performance in all major markets. Endotech has a strong track record of developing the AI backbone for over 150 investment firms across the U.S., Europe, and Asia for over 25 years. Becker has been recognized as a pioneer and leading scientist in the field of AI and financial technology. Her publications in machine learning systems have been distributed and integrated into many of the leading AI financial circles across Europe and America, and we invite every one of you to join us for our Told You So event in February by February 20 SD and 21 ND. Dr. Anna Becker will be with us there as well, and it's a great opportunity to come together and join the community as we talk about the future of D.A.i.S, where we are and where we are going. So let's talk a little bit about the equity crowdfunding model, because this is a major part of the disruption that D.A.i.S has created in the marketplace. The crowdfunding model allows people to contribute to the development of Endotech trading AI and receive profit rewards and equity in the company and project. There are two contribution categories, Crypto AI and Forex AI, and today we're going to focus the conversation on the Forex AI, because it has proven to be the highest performing category that we have right now, and we are really launching some big promotions right now around the Forex AI. So today's conversation is going to focus on the Forex AI. There are 10 contribution tiers for each category, beginning with Tier 1 at 100 USDT and each tier doubling, so Tier 1 is 100 USDT, Tier 2 would be 200, Tier 3 400, and so on. 70% of Tiers 3 through 10 and 50% of Tiers 1 and 2 are used in live trading for the purpose of testing and development. 70% of all of the trading profits are rewarded back to the contributor. 15% of the trading profits pays out to the community rewards and 15% goes towards operation. Every contributor from tiers 2 through then is also rewarded with their share of 5% equity in Endotech prior to going public. So let's talk about and show you the performance of the Forex AI, which officially launched April 5th of 2022. This utilizes high-frequency trading and is averaging between 5% to 8% a week, with new AI strategies in development. Over 200% profits in the last 6 months. 218% to be exact. Forex Momentum Promotion launched on June 1st, and we're going to talk about that today with a goal to crowdfund a 100 million USDT in 2022, and you can see right now there's been a total of 43 million in contributions for the Forex platform. You can see that has tremendously continues to grow. And we have a very specific goal to reach 100 million in contributions this year. And with the momentum that we're having right now, the results and the performance, and the excitement that's taking place, we know that is going to be a goal that we reach together, and we invite you to be a part of that. Again, there are 10 different tiers that a person can get involved with, and as you can see with Tier 1 and Tier 2, 50% of the contribution goes into live trading, 50% is allocated for your shares of equity. In tiers 3 through 10, 70% goes into live trading and 30% goes towards the equity. And you can see how that breaks down if you go all the way to tier 10. You would have over 71,000 USDT that would be placed into the live trading, and you would have accumulation of shares that would exceed well over 400 shares that you would have in Endotech prior to the company going public. Now, we just announced this summer the Momentum Packs, and this is a very great opportunity for those that are at Tier 5 or above. When you contribute to Tier 5, you have an opportunity to contribute again to Tier 5 with the Momentum Pack. The Momentum Pack places 90% of the contribution into live trading, and you can contribute to one Momentum Pack for each tier starting with Tier 5, and so the original tier has 70% that goes towards live trading. The Momentum Pack has 90% that goes towards live trading. If you do both, that's a total of 80% of your contribution in live trading. And what's exciting also about the Momentum Pack is you get the exact same amount of shares in Endotech equity that you do in the original tier contribution. So this is a great way to increase your shares, to increase the amount of contributions that you have in the live trading. This is a promotion that has gained a lot of traction, and it's a great opportunity to just maximize what we have here at D.A.I.S. Again, the Forex Momentum Pack places 90% of the contribution into live trading. You must be a Tier 5 member or above to participate. Tier 5 and above members can purchase one Momentum Pack per tier owned starting at Tier 5. Tier 10 members can contribute to an unlimited number of all of the Momentum Packs. Momentum Packs gives 90% into Forex trading for the purpose of testing and development, 5% into referral bonuses, and 5% to the Forex Momentum Bonus. Momentum Packs receive the same number of equity shares as the regular tier. So just by being a member of D.A.I.S., let's say that you choose to never participate in the referral plan that we have a really powerful peer-to-peer rewards plan. We're going to talk about that next. But one of the things we love about the D.A.I.S. project is truly, everybody wins. Even if you never refer a single person, you win with profits, you win with equity. And because we have a spillover model as well, you can even win with income, even if you never refer a single person. So having equity in Endotech, having of the trading rewards from the performance of the AI, a platform form, and the ability to actually earn just by being positioned in our matrix creates a really great opportunity for everyone to win together with this business model, and it's very simple to get started. You can get with the person who invited you here today, and they can give you some simple step-by-step videos that'll show you how to do that. Again, we want to invite every one of you to join us for the Told You So event in Dubai, February 20 SD and 21 ND. You can go to toldyouso2023.com. You can register for the event there. And this is where the magic is going to happen. We believe that from this event, D.A.I.S. is going to grow to 1 million members in 2023 and 1 billion in contributions in 2023. This is going to be the biggest wave of momentum that any project has ever seen, and we really invite you to be a part of it together. We are creating history. This is the D.A.I.S. story. We welcome you. We hope that you'll join us in Dubai, and we'll talk to everybody soon.